Hey y'all. Last year, Sarah had a really cool idea at Passover for a Seder plate that can actually change shape in order to suit the vibe of your Seder, to fit different table sizes, to fit a small table, to fit a banquet table. And the idea is that usually a Seder plate, you kind of set it and forget it. But we're working on a concept where it would make it easier for folks to interact with it, to see it, to reach it, and kind of brings the Seder plate back into kind of the middle of the experience of having a Passover Seder. So we've been doing a lot of drawings and prototypes and stuff, and we're very excited to show it to you. So the idea is that we would start off with a Seder plate that is a hexagon made of 6 equilateral triangles. If you're at a small table, you would leave it like this. It doesn't take up much space. But if you're at a long banquet table, it could unfold into a straight line. This could run down the center of a banquet table and kind of be a centerpiece. If you keep unfolding it, you actually get a Star of David. How awesome is that? If you do this, you can put a centerpiece in the middle or a plate of matzah or something. So we've been playing with this concept for the last year or so and really diving in deep over the last few months, doing a lot of drawings and prototyping. Our plan is to be able to share this with others this season and make it a product that's available on our website this Passover. So that's in just under 2.5 months or so. So stay tuned. We will be sharing the process over the next few days, and in the next couple of weeks, hopefully be launching it as a new product.